Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us solve new definite integral from UP board examination previous year questions 0 to 1 log 1 plus x upon 1 plus x square dx is equal to pi by 8 log 2. Most important integral. Concentrate here. Look at the board. Suppose value of this integral is equal to I and suppose this is equation 1. Look at denominator 1 plus x square. B always put here while B seeing a square plus x square. Here a is equal to 1, that is 1 plus x square. Always such type of expression B always substitute x equal to tan theta. This implies that dx equal to sec square theta d theta. Changing limits here observe x. This implies that here x equal to 0 and here x equal to 1. So when x equal to 0, this implies that tan theta equal to 0. This implies that theta equal to 0. When x equal to 1, this implies that tan theta equal to 1 and value of tan is 1, then theta is equal to pi by 4. Theta is equal to pi by 4. On substituting all these values in integral 1, we get new integral 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, which is equal to sec square theta, and dx is equal to sec square theta d theta. This implies that this quantity and this quantity will be cancelled and we get 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. This integral also comes in UP board examination, so we can solve easily from here to here and furthermore solve. Now we will applying definite integral property. Definite integral property f of x from 0 to a dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. I equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x d theta. We solve this. Tan pi by 4 minus x You know already tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. This implies that integral 0 to pi by 4. This integral supports equation 2, 0 to pi by 4. From here 0 to pi by 4, log of 1 plus log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x tan pi minus tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Here not x, tan pi by 4 minus theta, here theta. Now I is equal to 0 to pi by 4. I hope you understood easily. Log of 1 plus 1 minus tan pi by 4 value 1, 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. On cross multiplying this and this, we get 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta zero to pi by 4. This give log 2 upon 1 plus tan theta d theta. From here I equal to 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus log 1 plus tan theta d theta. This quantity is again I, 0 to pi by 4 log 2 d theta minus 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. This is equal to I from equation 2. This implies that I equal to 0 to pi by 4 log this integral, this is constant, log e to 1 d theta value integral 1, and after putting this value integral theta 0 to pi by 4 minus I 2I. On transposing I from right side to left side, log e2 into pi by 4. This implies that I is equal to pi by 8 log 2. Putting this value in equation 1, we get complete solution. Thank you.